We are here now at Newcastle Museum. The museum has three buildings: Supernova, Fire and Earth, and a Newcastle story. First, we explored the supernova. Supernova is a hands-on experience. This is good for kids 4 years old up. The Supernova Hands-On Science Center was founded by Professor Tim Roberts in the late 1970s. Next is the Fire and Earth. In here, a dramatic audiovisual program which interprets the excitement, color, drama, and noise which is inherent in the steel-making process of Newcastle during the early days. You can check this link to watch the video provided by Newcastle Museum. And lastly, the Newcastle story. In here, we will see the history of Newcastle. After the museum, we walked 10 minutes away to the Newcastle City Hall and the Civic Park. The weather is perfect. And after here, we finally ate our lunch. A late lunch, I would say, for us. Since today is weekday, we have to do a few work at our accommodation and let Callie have her afternoon sleep. In the evening, we went to this recommended Thai restaurant. It is a must-try Thai restaurant. Next day, we went to Memorial Walk. After here, we visit this cool shop, Mitch Reeves Gallery. It is also one of our recommendations if you visit here in Newcastle. This is really cool if you love art stuff. That's it with our Newcastle trip. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Team Labata!